The error log is a critical resource to monitor and troubleshoot various events, errors, warnings, and messages generated by SQL Server during its operation. These logs can help you identify and resolve issues, track server activities, and perform diagnostics. These are the basic steps to locate and inspect the error log in SQL Server Management Studio. In the Object Explorer panel, expand the Management node. Under the SQL Server logs, open the current log. The error logs are categorized in the log viewer. You can sort or filter error logs as per your desired criteria. Select a log to see detailed information about events, event types, timestamps, descriptions, and error codes. This information can be used to diagnose issues in SQL Server instances. If needed, you can export log data for further analysis. Just select the desired log and click Export. To find the physical location of error logs on your computer, type and run the shown query. This will return the physical path of the error log. If you can't connect to the SQL Server Management Studio, you can still find the error log location by using the SQL Configuration Manager utility.
Thanks for watching.